Hello guys, I have a 2023 Toyota Tundra. As I'm speeding, as you can see, as I'm speeding, I accelerate, that noise coming in. It seems like it's coming from that speaker. That's where it sounds like it's coming. And when I stop, I don't accelerate. The noise, it's not stop, but it's the noise decrease. But as I'm speeding on the gas, step on the gas, it's louder. Okay? I don't know if you have any idea, you know what could possible make it do that, please comment under the video. Thank you.